different than the girl I used to be. You're much stronger than you believe. I think you better choose right now. I need to be found. Feel my heart getting stronger.
Hey Glam fam, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is LaRosaa with 2 A's, and I'm actually so happy you guys clicked on this video. Today I wanted to do really something super bold and different, and when I tell y'all, woo, I am so happy I did. This look came out super pretty. It was super fun to do. So without further ado, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. We got the fresh face going on. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Maybelline primer. Can y'all see this? Is it focused? Hey, just going to let's do a little bit. I'm not really taking a lot because I already moisturized my face really good, and I just don't want a lot of primer. Guys, my face is doing better. Keep the hope alive. All y'all dealing with acne, I feel your pain. I know the struggle. Speaking of that, go look at my acne diaries, y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all can see a difference for real. It's gonna be down below. Alright guys, you know the drill. To get rid of these dark marks, dark shadows under the eyes, any acne scar you want to get rid of, I'm going to conceal my face. I'm going to use my LA Girl in Fawn. I'll put this under. There we go. Get rid of them black eyes. Y'all have this mark right here. Oh, let's not play. This is really gonna help you guys if you're trying to cover, you know, acne marks. So for real, acne scar, you're just gonna go here. So we want to get rid of all that, and you're just gonna pat it in. And once you finish, you're just gonna brighten up your face even before you put your foundation on. And so now the foundation just have to make your skin all one color because you already corrected. So the foundation is gonna look even more flawless. So around my mouth, okay, rub that in. You guys already know the drill. See, probably look a little bright, but that's okay. So of course you're gonna let that sit. All right, guys, now I'm gonna go in my Makeup Forever R520 foundation. I will say that I have it in a sample. You know what I'm saying? It's foundation, but in a little cap. Nothing wrong with that. If you guys have like drugstore foundation and you're like, I'm not paying all that money, but you still want to try it, or you know, you see someone on YouTube that looks flawless with it, but you just don't want to pay that money, girl, ask for a sample. I love this foundation because it still gives off that. It's not so yellow. It's kind of like red. It's like a red little orange, and I like that. Like, you guys know I like to be red. Y'all be knowing. But it's like not too much, you know? I'm gonna take my damp beauty blender, and I'm just gonna go over what I did. I just feel like it's gonna be like super flawless if I do that. On the same concealer, I'm just going to, I'm gonna go a little heavy on concealer today. I wanna shine bright like a diamond. I wanna be a little hot, you know, bright. I'm gonna be looking snap today. Yeah, see how that brightens up your face? Why did I just do that? You know, got milk, got powder. I look like Santa Claus. Okay. I'm gonna let this bake, but let's get that off of there. Powder bake, you know, we're just gonna let it, you know, bake. I mean, it's not that much, but the powder that's on, I'm not gonna wipe it off. For contour today, I'm going to use my L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder. This is what it looks like. Let's go in, suck them cheeks in. Follow that line. Oh, freaking coat. Just makes me feel like I'm all sun-kissed, you know, effortless. I think it's, oh my God, I don't know. I'm gonna take this powder off now, because now I feel like it's been sitting here for a minute. So for blush, I'm actually using something different. Hey, okay, so I'm gonna use my NYX contour palette. This is what it looks like. I'm sorry for the glare, guys. That is what it looks like. I'm gonna use this shade for the blush. Get your cheeks up. Just a little bit. Ooh, this is actually cute. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, because I don't like a lot of blush, but it's actually kind of cool. You know, making me feel all, you know what I'm saying? Making me feel all schoolgirl cheeky, you know. It's this shade. I don't know if you can see it, but it's glittery. If you can see that. So what's up? Feeling good about myself because I've been using the same highlighter for 2 years. Okay. Okay. It's a little, okay, no, I'm not how I look it on camera, but it's a little aggressive. I'm probably blend that out a little bit. Spray my face while I work on my eyes, and this is with my NYX Dewy Finish. You already know I love this spray. Close your eyes, here we go. First, go on my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. This is my, you know, Master Palette by Mario, and I'm gonna take this red. It's a very, you know, light orangey red, but this is just gonna be my transition color. Always go around out here, dragging it. So now I'm gonna go in that same NYX palette, that blush, but I'm actually gonna use this as an eyeshadow. You barely could see it. I don't like that. It's intensifying it, and I am going to use the Makeup Forever. What is this? Makeup Forever Artist Color Shadow, and this is what it looks like. I hope you guys can see that. Color Muse. Put it on my lid. There we go. Yes, boo boo. Let's talk. I'm gonna take this burgundy pink, and I'm gonna intensify the outer corner. Oh, snaps. Yes, yes. Okay. Take the same burgundy brown right here, but with a skinny brush, because I'm going to go under my eye. Now I want the brown to hit, you know, be right under. So let's see how I can do this. Right on that line. Right on that line. There we go. This blush is a nice little cute blushy. Nice little light color. I'm gonna go right under it. So here we go. And go under. Never mind. Then I'm gonna take my Better Than Sex mascara. Why do they call it that? Under my eye. Wiggle. Wiggle. Okay. Oops. I want to do eyeliner before I do the lashes. I'm going to take the Ardell Mink lashes. I'm going to take this eyeliner. What is this? A jumbo eye pencil, and it is, you know, the color blue from NYX. I'm gonna put this blue all over my lips, and this is just gonna help so the lipstick that I put on, the color is just on and popping. Now I'm going to take my blue lipstick from Lena Lashes, and I'm not sure of the color. I just know it's a dumb dark, super dark blue. So let's see. Probably should have used a black lipstick than blue. I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera because I already have I got some not teeth. Oh, I already have an eyebrow tutorial, so I'll definitely put that down below if you want to see how I got my eyebrows. So I will be right back, guys, with the finished look.
I wrote a letter to the girl I used to be. You're much stronger than you believe. I think you better choose right now.
Guys, so this is the finished look. This is such a fun look to do, guys. Like, I usually don't do looks like this. I definitely stick it with the natural, especially with my lips, but I'm actually super happy with this look. It was super fun to create. And guys, thank you so much for getting this far. Thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, whatever you want to do, it's up to you. But don't forget, my name is LaRosaa with 2 A's, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Teeth. I feel like this lipstick makes my teeth so big. Whew. I ain't killing it the way I want to kill it. Add the bold lipstick right now. Add it. You can do it. You can pull it off. You can do it.
Won't he, will he, will he, won't he do it?